Hello tubers, we're back in the piston alignment workshop this afternoon. Hopefully we're going to finish the reassembly of this engine today. We've got some very noisy birds in the background. I've got myself a new chair for the workshop, which is awesome. I've been grinding valves in this morning and just giving everything a good old clean up, and so it's time to put it back together. I've got the new head gasket on, the new little O-rings, the ones that got crushed before, and I've hooked the chain up so I'm not getting caught in it. I'm just slowly lowering the head on now, so I'll let you see this bit. Rarely let you see anything else. Oh, simple. As you can see, the head's now on. I've got my front cam chain slipper in and all the nuts are loosely fitted, so I'm going to go around now and tighten them up. So these have to be done in a certain order, so it pulls the head down square. Always check your manual for this. Once I've pulled this down, I need to go around with my torque wrench. These should be about 18 Newton meters, or about 14 foot-pound if you're that way inclined. So after this, we'll fit the camshaft, time it all up, and it really won't be long until we're starting it. Right, that's pulled down now. I'm just going to get my torque wrench and check the tightness. Got the camshaft in now. It's all timed up, chains on nicely. I've spun it over a couple of times by hand. The tensioner's been fitted. So now I'm going to fit this engine case here, because I had to leave this off to turn it over. Once we've done that, we're going to crank it over this as is to make sure we're getting all up to the top before we get too carried away putting the rocker cover on. And if all's good, then the top can go on, and we're just about there with it. I've got the rocker cover on now. I'm just going to finish tightening up. Then next will be the exhaust, carbs, and
Six.
Yeah, no, not quite. And then plugs and leads, and see how we go from there. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and can't wait to see you again next episode, which could be the first fire up.